Hi friends, welcome to Answers. So today it is the 90th episode in the science series. So today in science it is chemistry. So today we are going to discuss about another element of the periodic table, and that is the element, the 26th element, and that is iron, ferrum. So iron is the 26th element of the periodic table, and it has the symbol Fe, translating to ferrum in Latin, which just means iron in English. Okay. So sometimes other elements also have like this. Their symbols could be their Latin names instead of their English names. So it is 26. Yeah. So first we are going to see its electron configuration. How and where are the electrons? Yes. So first this is the nucleus, the Fe nucleus. So first, in the first shell there are 2 electrons like usual. In the second shell there are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the third shell there are 14 electrons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And in the last and final shell, I don't have enough space in this board for it, only has 2 electrons. So there is one recurring thing in this row of the periodic table. That is, for some reason the outer shell does not change. It has 2. Meanwhile the second outer shell will change. This pattern was only observed in this 2 elements, magnesium and iron, but I'm kind of over exaggerating by saying all of this row. Yes. Okay. So yeah, now let's go into the main things of this element. So first, the density of the element is, guess it. So at room temperature, when it is a liquid, it may be different. So at room temperature, it is 7.88 grams per cubic centimeter. Yes. So meanwhile at STP, or standard temperature, it is a solid. That means at just room temperature. When we have some iron in our room, just at a room, in our hallway, in our house, it will be a solid, So next, the boiling point is, the BP is about 3135 Kelvin, which is pretty hot. 3135 Kelvin. Yeah, very hot. Meanwhile, the melting point is a bit less hotter. That means almost about half less hotter, but not fully half. About 1811 Kelvin. Yes, these 2 temperatures are pretty hot, which is almost usual for all metals. Yes. So now let's look at some of the uses of iron. Iron, it is almost used in almost everything. It is used in electronics, refrigerators, phones, laptops. Next, it is used as structures as steel, which is just iron with some other things mixed into it. Just that. And there are so many other things that iron is used in. There are so many iron alloys that iron is in. Yes, it has so many other uses. So next we're going to discuss about its rarity, how common it is in the universe. So let's just draw this. This is the earth. This is the crust, the mantle. This is not for scale, by the way. Next, the outer core and the inner core. So in the crust, the 4th most abundant element is ferrum, or just iron. Meanwhile, in the outer core and inner core, a large chunk of it is ferrum and ferrum. Yes. So iron makes about 32% of the Earth's mass, which makes it the most massive element inside Earth. That means the element which takes up the most mass inside of Earth, not the universe, just in Earth. Meanwhile, second place is just oxygen, which is pretty much almost in everything. Yeah. So this is ferro or iron. So, and one fun fact, the adjective for this element is not ironic. Ironic has a completely different meaning. The actual adjective is ferro. F-E-R-R-O. It is used in many other things like compounds. So yeah, this is for today about the chemical element of iron. Bye.